Page 235. This is number 3 at the top of the page. It's just another reading exercise. Here's 3 flats. We're in the key of E flat major. So make sure you can do the scales on arpeggios for E flat major and C minor. 3/8 time, that explains all the eighth notes. Take it one hand at a time. The right hand, you just got the chords. And I do a 1, 2, 4 here because the next line I'm here. But you can do that if you want. I don't care. I just find it easier to do that. Okay, so it's a 1, 2, 3. And then I just, again, it's 3, 4. 3, 1, 2, 3. However, there's nothing wrong with the fingering in the bit. This is fine. And each of these just lasts 3 beats. Left hand's got the fun part. It's basically the chord or the scale. 1, 2, 3. It's basically the scale. It just took a detour. Go down. And you put them together and see what happens. Here. 3 or 2, whatever. So this is lovely, and that's okay. That's basically the piece. I'm playing it way too loud and way too fast, but that's the piece. I get to the other stuff later. No hesitations, then articulation. We're connecting it. Lift up. That's it. The chords, you tried your best to connect them. You can't. Then the dynamics, MP, mezzo piano, and that's going to be the left hand here. And it's soft, sort of soft. These chords need to be very soft in the background. You want to hear the left hand. Then the speed is largo. Well, isn't that a kicker? Largo's slow. Don't go so slow at drag. Don't go. It's like, it's just note. It's got a flow, but it's just a slow flow. Experiment. My slow flow for now. We'll see what happens later. Now there is a note here to transpose it to D major. So instead of E flat major, we're going down 1 note to D major. D major has 2 sharps, an F sharp and a C sharp, so we got to do those. So we're starting, instead of D, we're starting on an E. We need to change the fingering a little bit, because if you do that, you're going to end up with the thumb on the F sharp. We don't want to do that. You can just use the scale fingering. I mean, that's what they're doing here in E flat. You'd start out on a 3rd finger in the scale. That's what they're doing. So in D flat or D major, we're just going to use the scale. But the second line, thumb, you don't have to do that. You can do a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a thumb. Just the fingering a little bit. There's different fingerings you can try, but the chords, again, that's what they are, and just do the scale. Basically what it is. Other keys would work the same way. Just experiment. Let's play it together slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. We're probably going to play it about the speed it goes, actually. I'll give us 3 counts. 1, ready, go. 2, 3. 4, 3,